welcome back to my another English vlog. I hope you all are doing great. I'm also good. So guys, today I came here. So you can see behind me, this is the park which is located in my city as well. So I thought I should go somewhere because sometimes we need to go alone. So you can say my solo trip and solo date. So right now I am walking in this park here and there. So let's see. But today is this park so much crowded because today is Sunday. So that's why so much crowded here and there. So that's why I hesitate to making my video front top there too. But I thought lastly, because we should not look here and there, we should focus on always our work. So that is why I'm making my video right now. So I'll show you this park all rounder scenery. So let's enjoy. So guys, you can see this is the park looking something like this, but as you can see, so many people are here today because today is Sunday. So that is why they always prefer to come here Sunday, because many people are doing their job and all things which we do in their life. So that's why they always prefer to come on Sunday. So that is why little bit crowded here, but I'll also roaming here and there. And this is my bag. I keep my bag here, but later I have to go also my home. But I'll show you something new things here which is in this park. So guys, right now I'm using my tripod. So as you can see behind me, so I'm enjoying air in this park and I am roaming here and there. So I just look at here and there. So many people are also here. So right now I feel hungry little bit. So I'm looking for a canteen. So let's see. Uh, I will eat something or not. So let's enjoy a little bit here. So I'll show you something new if I see something new here. So guys, now it's time to go from here because I spent here almost I think 1.5 hours. So as you know, these days are decreased, so that's why I have to go on time at home. So as you can see behind me, so many people are already gone from here, but sometime we should spend some time with ourselves. So that's why today I thought I should go in the park. So that's why I came here, but I just shoot my video between 1 hour. So I don't focus much about this scenery. I just shoot my reels and video for my channel. So guys, that is the my day here. So sometime I prefer to make vlog, but the thing is when I make my vlog, so that time I don't aware about so many things. So that's why I can't express my thought properly in my blog. But I just try to make my blog because of my English journey. So that is why guys, whenever I go somewhere, so I just open my phone camera and shoot my blog. So I'll show you something here and there, and then I'll go from here. I look at these views now looking like this, and now time is 4 o'clock. So I have to go now here. So I'll just show some glimpses here. So let's see. As you can see this idol here. Look at this idol. She's looking something like this. And there as well. So guys, this park is looking something like this, which I already showed in my videos. So now I'm leaving from here. So let's go ahead. guys, right now I'm in this canteen, so I ordered a tea here. So I have to sit here, this area looking like this. So guys, now I'm going to back home. So let's go. And as you can see, it's almost getting dark outside. So let's reach at now. I reached at home, and that's all for today, guys. This is all about my day. And if you like this type of video, so let me know in the comment box, and I'll come with a new video blog. So that till then, bye bye. See you in the next video.